Hello all, this is about my new book, Python Programming for Beginners. This has been published after so many years of compiling all my Python notes and so many programming questions. I have made them into a single book, Python Programming for Beginners, and it is intended for everyone. Some students have messaged me saying they have been studying biology in grade 11 and 12, and the first year of college they have Python and they are finding it difficult to learn that. So there are students like that, and then for 11 and 12 some students have not studied 11th in a proper way, so they are finding it difficult to do the 12th. So this is going to be for all the students, even the all state board schools also. So it's a general Python programming book. So it has concepts which are required for class 11 and 12 of CBSE. That is what I have been teaching so far. So definitely it will cater to that aspect of it. So in this book, I have grouped all the chapters in a very easy way. So first is your introduction to Python, so installing and those instructions, and then I have moved on to the variables, data types, and operators. So there are Python certifications, there are Microsoft certifications, there are a lot of certification courses. Those also need you to know the basics of Python like this. So practice all the code in this book one by one, and there are strings, lists, tuples. So all these are your slowly you can go through all the topics here, and you can see that there is a chapter 8. From chapter 8 is more of your 12th syllabus. You have functions and libraries, and then I have given files. Files I have divided them into three separate topics as text files, binary files, and CSV files. And in data structures also, I have given two separate topics, one for simple sorting and searching, and the other one using stacks and queues. And there is a pie plot, which is not there in CBSE computer science syllabus as such, but yes, it's a very nice topic to study. And you have SQL and how to interface with SQL, which is very, very important for even your college projects or even while working. If you find difficulty in learning Python, you can always come and refer to these codes here. And finally, I've included around 5 projects here for your own, maybe for college purposes, maybe for school purpose, or just to learn Python. So each one is in a different category. The first one is a book inventory, which is just going to use simple SQL and interface it with Python. And then you have calculator and modern periodic table with the GUI, tkinter. I have used tkinter module to show some graphical user interface. There's so many things available on the internet. So you can always go, and I'm also trying to do a series on this wherein I can explain each chapter and I can explain the code in this chapter one by one, but I'm not sure how fast it will be done. But you can also take it as a starting point, and from here on, you can go browse and do a lot of projects and improve yourself in Python. So finally, there are appendices where I have given the installation instructions and the Viva questions for this lesson. So I hope this book is going to be useful to all of you, and please do comment and let me know if anything else is missing in the book and you want me to improve on anything, because I am learning day by day with you, and I hope it serves the purpose. Thank you all.